Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today we proceed with chapter 6, Integration of Exponential, Logarithmic and Trigonometric Function, subtopic 6.1, Integration of Exponential Function. Now we go to example 3, question number 1, where we have definite integral, the limits from 1 until 2, 1 minus exponent x over exponent x with respect to x. So first of all, we need to split the function. So we have 1 over exponent x minus exponent x divided by exponent x dx. So in order to integrate, we need to bring the exponent into the top. So we have an exponent to the power of negative x minus 1 dx. Don't forget the limit 1 until 2. So we can start our integration. So exponent x integrate will get exponent to the power of negative x divided by negative 1. So 1 integrate will get x. So the limit is from 1 until 2. Okay, so if we have a definite integral, we don't need to plus c. So now, in order to get the answer, we need to substitute 1 and 2 into the function. Okay, so I continue over here. So for the first limit, which is 2, so we just substitute the value of 2 into our function. And then minus exponent negative 1 divided by a negative 1. Oh sorry, this one is negative 1 minus 1. Okay, so simplify the function. So we have a negative exponent negative 2 minus 2, and then this one negative. So we have a plus exponent negative 1, and then we have a plus 1. So negative 2 and 1. So you would have a negative 1. So negative exponent negative 2 plus exponent negative 1 minus 1. Or we can bring the exponent to the bottom. So we have 1 over exponent minus 1. So this would be your final answer. Next, we have example 3, question number 2, definite integral, where the limit is ln 1 until ln 2 exponent x multiply with 2 minus 3x over exponent x. So you need to integrate with respect to x. So first of all, we need to expand the bracket. So we have 2 exponent x minus, so we can eliminate the exponent, so we left with 3x dx. We can start to integrate. So integrate 2 exponent x is equal to 2 exponent x, and then we have 3x, so integrate 3x is equal to 3x to the power of 2 divided by 2, and don't forget the limit is ln 1 until ln 2. Okay, so we are done with the integration. So now we need to substitute our limit into the function. So as we already know, ln 1 is actually equal to 0. So we can substitute ln 2 and 0 into our function. So we have 2 exponent to the power of ln 2 minus 3 over 2 ln 2 to the power of 2 minus with 2 exponent 0 minus 3 over 2 0 to the power of 2. Okay, so I continue over here. So now I would like to simplify the answer. So as you can see here, we have 2 exponent to the power of ln 2. So exponent to the power of ln 2 is actually equal to 2. Therefore, we have to multiply with 2 minus 3 over 2 multiply with ln 2 to the power of 2 minus with, so exponent 0 is equal to 1, and then minus 0. Okay, then we can minus the 4, so 2 minus 2 multiply with 2 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, so 2 minus 3 over 2 ln 2 to the power of 2. So this would be your final answer. Okay, next we go to example 3, question number 3, where we have definite integral. The limit from 0 until 3 x cubed multiply with exponent to the power x to the power of 4. So for this integration, we need to use substitution method. Okay, so first of all, we need to let u is equal to x to the power of 4, and then find the derivative. So we have 4x cubed dx. So when we rearrange the function, so we have exponent to the power x to the power of 4 multiply with x cubed dx. So in order to get the x cubed dx, so we need to divide our du with 4. So we have du over 4 is equal to x cubed dx. Okay. But remember that because we want to change the x into u, so you also need to change our limit, because you need to understand that our limit is in x. Okay, so we need to change the x into u form. So how? So we need to use the information that we have. Therefore, our new limit is, so we know that u is equal to x to the power of 4. So we have 3 to the power of 4, so which is equal to 81. And then we have okay, so this one is when x is equal to 3, and then when x is equal to 0, so u is equal to 0 to the power of 4 or 0. Okay, therefore our new function is, so the limit is from 0 until 81, and then we use the substitution, so we have exponent to the power of u multiply with du over 4. Okay, so this is your new integral. Okay, so we can start our integration. So exponent u is equal to exponent u. So for the limit is from 0 until 81. Then we need to substitute the limit. So we have 1 over 4. So exponent 81 minus with exponent 0. The final answer is exponent to the power of 81 divided by 4. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.